Reu a Kenya na muno makiria mashabiki a Kameme TV tafarira yari kiratha ni matigito mategwitikia thutha wa ndeto irikitie kumburo ni one of the presenters a tafarira ino numburo tukiaja na a very dark and terrible incident that has happened njuragano ya magigi thutha wa kairetu kamwe by the name Tamara Blessing gukoroga kiura from Nyeri town karakara kuretwo gagethwo na njira nene muno a Kenya magiteithia family yake to circulate the news of her disappearance across all social media platforms with the hope that she will be found safe and sound. No kuri muthenya wa ira Tamara nyaronekanire oragitwo na njira ya unyamuna agathikwo nyumba-ini ya mundurume umwe uikaine na kuruta wira wa beba in Nyeri town. Tamara onekanire ria mwisho ethoko-ini iuikaine ta New Open Air Market in Nyeri over the weekend na aracokire kuonekana emunyite kia hinya oragitwo na agathikwo in Majengo area kwa mundurume uyu kuria kwirikanite ati it was a witness wakoretwo amura na kairetu gaka hwaini ucio korire makiana tari kuinukania marainukania no da suspectire undu kuona Tamara ati ni marakioine na mundurume uyu ni mundu rakioine na family yake na muciari wake and so agishira no kuinukania gwa kawaida but thutha wa kuigwa Tamara has been missing since that day ni akorirwo agi suspect beba uyu by the name Masharia na ikorwa akimuria na akionekana kwa babika thutha wa kurio ciege Tamara and that's when he was reported to the police aramara shokire kuya ikinya na guikia ngono Masharia urathutha ucio mafitha a DCI maracokire guthie muci gwake na niho marakorire mwiri wa Tamara uthikitwo kaburi-ini nyumba-ini iyo ndeto ina kiana ina ruo muno aikari magitigwo mategwitikia na makirurungana na marakara maingi muno makienda mundurume uyu arekererio kurio merehirie ario madil nake through mob justice. A very sad and painful death na a Kenya across the entire country onaginya atongoria ono nimenyumirite na njira nene muno demanding for justice for Tamara na family yake irona kihoto. Condolences to the mother, condolences to the family. May there be justice for Tamara. Na rukuri some unexpected news shirikitie kuhaneka tafarira-ini ya kiratha iregiokaga Kameme TV brought to you by Maina Kihumo na Agnes Nonsizi. Reu umwe wao ni arikitie kwehuta tafarira-ini ino. Agnes Nonsizi has officially announced her departure from Kiratha show akirekereria ndeto ino kugerera nenda ciake cia ukinyanĩria where she has bid farewell to her fans. No oho akiubura she will now be hosting a brand new show still on Kameme TV. Tafarira iretwo Humuka iri ari kurehagira o muthenya Monday to Friday every 5 p.m. na Akenya na mashabiki ake ari kiratha magicakaya kuma gwake no at the same time makimu congratulate on her new show and we too wish her all the best as she leaves Kiratha and starts off a new show Humuka.